You never know.
What happened?
I might do her so hard and it might end up coming out
To
her
who?
mouth.
To who?
Catherine and Makia,
Who's Catherine?
the girl, the little short girl in science class, in my science class, and Makia, the little black girl, in my science class.
Yo, don't disrespect Makia.
Second period.
Makia's my girl.
No, third period.
What are you gonna do to Francesca's? I mean, what's her name?
I like
Catherine's
her.
body. Catherine's body.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna do it good.
What are you gonna do to it?
Deep penetration, baby.
Anal,
You know.
anal, anal.
Anal.
Do you know what anal is?
It's when you stick it in the ass, you douche.
I know.
Are you gonna lick her good? David, are you gonna take care of her babies?
Yes, I am.
How many babies are you gonna make her have?
Like 10.
You gonna make her have 10 babies?
Yes.
Nigga, I can't even see you. You're so dark.
10 babies.